Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 5th, 2025, and we have potatoes here. We have the slips of them and we're going to be planting them. We're really late getting these in. We've had a lot of rain this year and a lot of interesting different weather that we're not used to. So we're doing something different with our potatoes this year. We're doing them side by side. You can see here, these have calloused over. They were the eyes that were on the potatoes, and they have calloused over, so they're ready to be planted. Now the garden got expanded this year, which I'll talk more about that in another video. It's up on top of the mountain now. We did have some potatoes come up from last year down in the hollow garden, but the deer have unfortunately eaten them off. So we made the garden up top a whole lot bigger. So you can see here the fertilizer is being raked in. This is a 10-20-20 fertilizer. You want your phosphorus and your potash, so that you want those to be higher numbers so that you get your formation of the potatoes. And this does have horse manure in it as well. Now our potato slips do have some mold on them from how long we had to try and hold them. We were holding them in the refrigerator, and these came off of the seed potatoes, the slips did. So the mold will not hurt them. Now if they're rotting, that will not work. You'll lose your crop. So these are not rotting, they just have some mold on them, and the mold will not hurt them. So I'm going to help to start planting here. So I did a close-up of this potato here, and you can see the eye of this potato is just starting to come out right here. And this is what you'll see on your potatoes when they're whole, when the eyes first start forming on them. And then as they mature, as the eyes mature, they'll start forming more like this. So we have this row here in, and we're going to be we're switching now to another different variety. So we started these slips in March or April, and then we put them in a bag and put them in the refrigerator to try and hold them. Now one thing I do want to show you is on your red potatoes, these eyes will look a little bit different. They're going to be different colored, and I will show them to you here. So here's a red one right here. You can see these are red. There's nothing wrong with them. This just comes off of a red potato. And these right here, what were these, Kennebecks or Yukon? Kennebec, yeah. These here are the Kennebec ones, and your Yukon Gold slips and your different ones will look the same. But when you get the red potatoes, the slips on those will be red. So you can see the haze over here on the mountains, and that is actually smoke from the Canadian wildfires. I can actually smell it. I can start smelling it in the air now. You can see it's starting to hang down in the hollows over there. Normally we can see a whole lot further than this. You can just see it hanging in the air. Like I said, I can start smelling it. You can really see it down in the hollow over there. So the potatoes are getting covered here. Now this is a brand new area of garden here. We expanded the garden this year, and 3 days ago it was all grass and it looked like that. So this got tilled about 3 times. There's all kinds of rocks in it. So we're working on getting the rocks out, and we're getting the potatoes covered here. So another way that you can do these when you're covering them is you can push them down in and you can pull your soil from up top here. You can see this one here, I already pushed it down in. So you can see these up here, they've already been covered. So I will have other videos on my channel for in past previous years for how we planted our potatoes, so you can see they'll be at the end of this video. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.